In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off notifications on Facebook app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings. After that, tap right here at notifications and then just scroll all the way down until you find Facebook. That's where we can configure Facebook app notifications. We can change all that settings. However, if you just would like to turn off all the notifications from Facebook app, you need to tap right here at that button to turn off notifications for Facebook application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.